Hi guys, welcome to another daily market forex analysis. Today is the 16th of September. Start on the DXY and then we'll go ahead and do the USD pairs, USD card and EJ. So first of all, if you look at the DXY, you can see it's at a weekly support. If you go to the daily, you can see it's approaching the daily support as well. Today it is bearish, so it's going down. However, tomorrow or Wednesday, we can expect a reversal from this daily support here. However, today it is going down. Potentially reversing, but it's still early days. As you can see here, the previous support was breached. It's now to minus 23. If we update this Fibonacci, you can see there's a H4 support, which also correlates from last Friday as well. So you can see there's a H4 support region here. Price could potentially reverse. If it does reverse, I'd expect it to go to here first, which would be 50% fib. So if it does reverse, which it potentially might do in the next few hours, we would look to go to this region here. So because we're expecting reversal, so we're expecting DXY to go up now, that means we're expecting the USD pairs to go down. So we're looking for sell trades potentially on Euro USD and GBP USD. But first let's look at Euro GBP. If you look at the daily time frame, you can see it's a slight bearish candlestick, so it's looking to go down. If we look at the H4 time frame, it's still between the H4 support and resistance levels. If we go to the H1, here's a trade that I took last week. As you can see, it entered here. It reached nearly 18 pips. I think it was like 16 pips profit. Yeah, it was. And then I closed the trade. So that's from last week. If we update the Fibonacci levels, so get the Fibonacci tool and go from the low of the day to the high. So today's Monday. If you look at Friday's price action, low of the day to the high. These are your intraday trading levels for today. So when price comes to these levels, we're looking for a buy or a sell. In this case, price is currently at the support level here. You see that? It's rejected it once, twice, 3 times, and now 4th time. So expecting it to go up. So what I'll do is, I'll get my risk reward tool, long position, this one here, place it where I'm going to enter. This would be TP. TP1 would be this level here, 38%. If I did the fib levels right, let me just check. So low of the day to the high. Yeah, so as you can see, it's retraced all the way back 3 times to nearly 100%. So if I was looking for a buy trade, I'd put this stop loss just underneath, highlight this candle on H1, then go to a smaller time frame, M15 or M5. For me, I just like M15. If you want to break it down further, you can do on M5. But I'm happy with that, and then I'd literally just go ahead and enter the trade. So let me just put this onto MT4. Two 1.84519. I'm risking 3.5 pips to win 22. That's a risk to reward ratio of nearly 6.465. That's a really good trade. So we'll see how that plays out. If we go to Euro USD, if you look at the daily, it's a bullish candlestick. If we go to H4, you can see it's approaching a H4 resistance. So this correlates with our analysis with DXY. Remember, DXY is our support, so it's going to potentially reverse and go up. So in this case, Euro USD, it's going to reverse and potentially go down. Obviously, there is a chance that it could continue pushing up, which is why we need to monitor the DXY and see what happens, whether it breaches down further to the weekly support or even further to minus 23, or whether it's going to reverse from here and go up. So same with Euro USD. Go to the H1 time frame, go from the low of the day to the high. So this is Friday's price action. These would have been your levels before the London session opened. As you can see, price breached the 0%, it's gone past the minus 23 Fibonacci, and it's gone to minus 61. So it's fulfilled the Fibonacci prediction, sorry. So I can expect a reversal from here. So if we update the levels, it's got to minus 61. I feel as though there's a reversal coming. We would literally just need confirmation on the DXY first. So I would be selling this today, but I'd wait for the candlestick to show me some bearish momentum where sellers now into the market, because it's still formed a high, low, high, low, high, low. Till it's breached this higher low, it's not potential sell trade. Obviously, it would be good if I could catch it from here. It'd be a better entry. So yeah, it's still not ready. So we'll have to wait and see. I'll have to monitor this, but potential sell trade on Euro USD. If we look at the GBP USD, daily is a massive bullish engulfing candlestick. This would be your daily support. If we go to the H4, you can see price breached the previous H4 resistance, and now it's going to this one here, which correlates with the minus 61 Fibonacci. That's the accuracy of the Fibonacci tool, as you can see here from last week, Thursday. This is a H4 support, is H4 resistance. It's made a higher low, it's breached to the minus 23% Fibonacci tool, and it's gone past the minus 61, and it's looking to go all the way to this minus 61 Fibonacci. So no trade at the moment on GBP USD. Oh gosh. These would be your fib tools before London session opened. As you can see, it's gone past the minus 61 and it's going up. So if you go back to using the fib on the H4, it will go to minus 61, and then we're looking for a reversal from here. So we'll see how that plays out. If we look at Euro USD CAD, USD CAD is approaching, it's made a higher low, it's going potentially further down from here. Go to the H4 time frame. You can see price is at the H4 support. I've got a H1 time frame. This is Friday. If we look at Monday's price action, you can see here we use a Fibonacci tool from the low of the day to the high. This is your Fibonacci tool. As you can see in the Asian session, it's retraced to 100%. So from here, I expect it to go up potentially. As you can see on the daily, it has formed a higher low. It's formed a higher low, but today is bearish. It is a bearish candlestick today. If you look at H4, it is bullish. If you look at the H4 candlestick, it is on a H4 support. It's only looking to go up from here. Again, if you look at the H1 time frame, looking at the Fibonacci tool from the previous day's price action, which is Friday, you can see price retraced all the way to 100% in the Asian session. London session is now open. It's made a higher low. Potential change of structure. However, the current candlestick is going where sellers are now in. So it's difficult. However, because it's on a H4 support, bias is only to buy today and tomorrow. So that is my explanation of USD CAD at the moment. If I go to high low, sorry, just leaving a voice note for someone. Let me get back to this. If you wanted to buy, the entry was here at 8 o'clock. That was the entry at 8 o'clock this morning, with a stop loss of 11 pips and a TP of 21 pips. That is how I would see UC. However, it's a potential pullback, so we'll see how it goes. I'll monitor it anyway. If we look at weekly is bearish. It's approaching the weekly support. If we go to the daily time frame, you can see it's close to the daily support as well. Potential trend reversal. H4. Now this makes things clearer at the moment. If you look at the H4 time frame, you can see it has a H4 support, bullish momentum, buyers into the market. If we go to the H1 time frame and get the Fibonacci tool out, which is this one here, get it from the high of the day to the low. This would be your price action before London session opened. So here and here. Price is going to minus 23 fib, and now there's a reversal. I would expect a buy trade. A buy trade would have been at 8 o'clock this morning. That candlestick right there, if you entered on that candlestick, that would have been a perfect entry, but I fucking missed it, man. 160 pip target profit, stop loss of it's too high, 20 pips. Let's see if there's a reversal on EJ. We'll have to wait and see. But yeah, that's my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed that quick session, guys. I try and do it in 10 minutes so you don't get lost. Try and follow these currencies that I've analysed. If you want me to do any more, let me know. My website is still in process. It'll probably be available end of the month. There will be a subscription service where I show you my in-detail analysis. This is just an overview of what I'm doing during the day. Breakdown of potential signals, further details of analysis. I'll show you my crypto portfolio. I'll show you slightly more analysis, and also there will be a course available as well for those that don't have a clue and need some foundational knowledge. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.